Pages within a bundle. From the course dashboard, go across to Courses. On the left hand side, go across to Bundles and open up your bundle. Inside here you'll have a tab called Pages. Click this and it will give you the course pages for your bundle. This includes a sales page or the main start page, through to the checkout process, a thank you page after purchase, and finally a private area called the course access page. Now these can be set up in exactly the same way that you set up your course pages. There is no difference in the way that you format and add information into these. Also check out the support documents on course pages and page builder within Zenler. This will give you an overview and an idea how to design and format your courses and your bundles inside of Zenler. This is the pages inside of course bundles on Zenler.